Hi, I'm Beth from DM Orthotics and we're at the Unlocking Potential Wear It Well Future Focus event. I came to this event because I know Unlocking Potential do a lot of great things in Cornwall, and being part of the Cornwall manufacturing group as well, it's nice to see what's going on in Cornwall by going to these different events to speak to like-minded businesses as well as businesses that are completely different, that offer a wide range of alternative ways of thinking about issues that we all face, which has definitely been achieved by this event. There's a lot of widespread avenues that people have used and different problems that everyone has faced, and they've got alternative ways of looking at it, and it's just nice to know there's other people out there having the same problems as you, but also there are different ways to look at it. It doesn't have to be in your industry as well. There's a lot of cross collaboration, so it's just really interesting to see what's out there really in Cornwall. We design and manufacture dynamic movement orthoses, which are made to measure orthoses for children or adults with neurological conditions such as cerebral palsy, multiple sclerosis, people that have had strokes, and our orthoses help to manage the physical effects of those conditions. DM Orthotics is an SME, or a small business in Cornwall. Although we are based in Cornwall, we have 53 members of staff that are throughout the whole of the country. We have a clinical team which cover from Scotland all the way down and parts of Ireland. We also have our admin staff and our factory staff here. We have a consultant biomechanical engineer, a pattern designer and a cutter. And basically, although we are in Cornwall and our clinicians are nationwide, we also export to 25 countries worldwide. All of the orthoses are bespoke, so they're made to measure. So all the measurements will be taken, they'll be placed on our system. We'll pick it up in the factory in Redruth. We will then manufacture it to the exact specifications required. It'll go through all the quality control and get dispatched, and then it will make its way to the patient. DM Orthotics as a company are world leaders in the design and manufacture of the dynamic movement orthoses. There are competitors that are similar to us, but we are very bespoke and unique in the fact that we use biomechanics as kind of the structure of our orthoses. We use strategic panelling as well. There's lots that go into our orthosis that make us unique. Although we're based in Cornwall, we have a reach worldwide. We have distributor partnerships in the majority of the continents and a lot of countries in the world. Linking to that is our team DMO. We support Paralympic athletes that then travel the world as well. We have Cadena Cox, some of the boccia players, Claire Taggart, David Smith, Patrick Wilson, Evie Edwards. We've also just recruited some Team GB para dressage athletes. It's something we want to grow, and it's an avenue we want to support, and it doesn't matter if someone is a Team GB athlete or if they are just like me and you. It's just anybody that we can help, we will just try and support them that way. I was interested in coming to the event because I've worked with Unlocking Potential previously on their graduate development programme, and I know the great things they do in Cornwall, and they've just really put on a really good event. They've got lots of different kind of organisations involved, lots of different industries. Doesn't matter, although it's a future focus Wear It Well event and it's about fashion, there's other avenues behind the scenes of fashion that people I don't think realise. So Unlocking Potential has really dug underneath that and kind of broken the surface level, and you kind of understand a lot more really. And yeah, they've just put on a really good event. All the speakers have been fantastic. Points about plastic, about the future, about the consumer behaviour. There's lots of ways that technology is impacting on all of us, especially us as a business. We can't ignore it, so it's nice to find something to take away from each talk. It might not be about technology, but technology comes in to all of them, so it's just nice that there's been continuity as well as difference kind of with the speakers.